The letter L. Big L, little l. The letter L makes the L sound like in look. Lots of words begin with the letter L, like log, lamb, lemon, lava lamp, laugh, and ladybug. What other words begin with the letter L? L is for... That's right, lion. What is a lion? Lions are big cats. They are strong animals with golden brown coats, and male lions have a fluffy mane. They are carnivores, which means they eat meat, and their favorite meals are zebras and wildebeest.
I see lions.
Lions live in groups called prides found in the grassy savannas and open woodlands in Africa. They can live from miles away, work together to hunt and catch their food. What are the parts of a lion? Let's look. I see ears, a fluffy mane, 4 feet, and a tail. Let's look at some different lions for ideas. What do you see? I see lions in many different styles. There's no right or wrong way to make a lion. Let's draw. You need paper, black marker, and something to make color with. Time to create our lion art.
And we're going to start with our lion's snout, or his nose. We're going to start that by doing a sideways oval and coloring it in. It's going to be the dark part of his nose. We're going to do a little line down with 2 little curved lines at the end. We're going to make an oval all the way around, starting pretty close to the top of the nose. Alright, we're going to make our lion's eyes using 1, 2 small circles, coloring them in, and doing a slightly bigger circle around. Alright, now we have our eyes and our nose. Alrighty, we're going to start the outside of our lion's head by putting our marker on the bottom of his snout and doing a curved line all the way up and around. Alright, now we have our lion's face. Lions have those cute little cat ears, so we're going to do 1, 2 little jump lines, little rainbow lines on the top of his head. And I'm going to go ahead and do little ones on the edge of extra detail. Now this could be a lady lion's face, but we're making a male lion. So we're going to do a zigzag line all the way around. The zigzag line is kind of like a bunch of V's, the letter V's put all together. I'm going to do a zigzag line all the way around his head. So now we have our lion's face. Now our lion's going to be laying down. So we're going to draw 1, 2 really large letter U's. They're kind of slanted. So 1, 2, and then we need our third one back here. 3, and these are going to be part of our lion's feet. To help us remember that, we're going to do little straight lines at the end. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 to show where his paws are, or his feet. Now we need to connect his feet to his body by making a body. We're going to go to the top part of this U and do a jump line. Alright, and the back part of this U and do another jump line over. Alright, now it's coming together. Now we're going to connect the lion's body to that back foot by drawing a straight line from the back leg to his mane. We're going to do a straight line across for his belly. I'm going to continue that straight line up and over here. Alright, so now we have 1, 2, 3 feet, but a lot of times you're going to see the other foot sneaking out. So I'm going to do another curved line and 2 straight lines. So now we have our lion laying down. Lions have cattails, so we're going to do matching curving lines, but at the end they have a little bit more fur than house cats do, so we're going to add a teardrop shape.
Time to add some line details.
Our lion with the head, 1, 2, 3, 4 feet, body, long tail, and mane. And remember, lion is for L. So I'm going to do a big L and a little L just to help me remember.
Let's add color. I chose to make my lion orange, yellow, and red for some extra detail. Ta-da! You made a lion. That's lovely. Remember, lion is for L, the letter L. That's a real lion winner. Thank you for joining us today. Please consider liking and subscribing to Bold Soul Whimsy. See you in the next one.
Bye bye.